Good morning. In this time I'm going to talk about the next topic is English. English is the new world language at the moment. English has a lot of advantage. For example, English helps to promote the tourism. The tourism is an important factor, especially for us the Latin people. In South America we have a lot of tourism. We need share our culture, but we need use the English. But why? Thanks to the English, the tourists can understand us. We don't need to speak 3 or 8 languages. Simply, if we speak English, we can do it. We can share culture, and for the country, the economy will be bigger. And to me, this is advantage. Of course, there are disadvantages. For example, the small language. What happens with the small language in the future? The English in the future will be bigger, and the small language can disappear. But why? Because the world needs that all the people speak English, just in English, and for this reason, for example, the Quechua speakers can forget their language. They can forget their culture, and to me, this is a big mistake. Finally, if I need choose other language to become the new world language, I'll choose the Spanish. But why the Spanish? Spanish is a competitive language like the English. And there are 8 or more countries with Spanish mother tongue. Include the Spanish people are has a very influence in countries like USA, Australia, United Kingdom. But why? The Spanish people are good workers, friendly people, and I believe that for all these reasons, Spanish need to be the new world language. And thank you very much.